And welcome again. This is a 2006 Nissan Xterra, the same up to about 2015, and also it's the same from Nissan Frontier, Pathfinder. It's the same. What happens is that this vehicle has this code here. The 4x4 is not working, all-wheel drive is not working, so the transfer case is not engaging at this point. And I'm gonna put live data on my scanner right there, and I'm gonna monitor the tires, see if the ABS wheel speed sensors are working or not. Alright, and I can see that the rear left is not sending any signal, so I'm gonna be checking the rear left ABS sensor and see if that's causing the transfer case not to engage. The other sensors are working, as you already saw. .21mm lug nuts. Update. The ABS sensor is very stuck and it broke here. I tried for about 30 minutes getting it out. I put a lot of oil and penetrating oil and tried to get it out, and it couldn't come out. So I'm gonna drill it and get all the mess out of there. And that's the hole right there. All the mess came out already. And this is where the ABS sensor goes, and this is the piece of bolt here that is still inside. The correct way to do this is just drill it out, but I'm not gonna do it right now, and I'm gonna see if I can stick it with crazy glue. I just want to tell you that I'm not telling anybody to do it that way. It's up to you. I'm gonna do it this way because I don't feel like to drill it out right now. Very comfortable here, so I'm just gonna stick it with crazy glue. I'm not gonna put glue on the hole and the sensor here that goes in the hole, no, but the small board that goes here, plastic board that goes here, and the bolt here, that's what I'm gonna put crazy glue. So I'm gonna see what happens, and then I'm gonna wait a few hours before driving the vehicle and see if it works. Crazy glue is very good stuff. I have used it in so many applications and it works pretty well. So I'm gonna see if it works with this. Also, I have cleaned it very well, and I brushed it with a metal brush, oil, and then started fluid the area here. Here is the sensor. Before putting the glue here, I'm gonna connect it and clip it everywhere it's supposed to be clipped, the wire. And also I'm gonna be clipping this wherever it goes clipped, all over that it gets clipped here, so I don't have to be moving it once I put the sensor. Sure it goes clean. Make sure it goes is sitting down evenly. It's flat sitting on the entire area here. And I'm gonna keep pressing like that for about 4 minutes while the glue dries a little bit. And it's already dry, and it's very flat sitting on the surface. I'm doing it this way and I'm responsible. If it doesn't work, then I'll take out the sensor and I'll drill out this piece of bolt, and I put a new bolt. But with this glue, it works very well all the time. So let's see what happens. This is the glue here, super glue. And this is the information for the ABS sensor here. And that's the all-wheel drive mode right there. So, but I needed to start here first with the ABS because somehow they share some circuits, the same diagrams, they all together. And that's the light data right there for the ABS sensors. And I'm gonna turn on the vehicle right now and see and drive it a little bit and see if the all sensors are working or still doesn't work the rear left. And all the sensors are working at this point. That's the rear left sensor, ABS sensor is working too at this point. The next step is going to be see what's going on with the transfer case. Those lights are still right there, VDC OFF SLIP, and the ABS light, malfunction light is still right there, but I haven't driven the vehicle at all anyway. And now I'm gonna see if the 4x4 works, the transfer case. Make sure it's in neutral, and foot on the brakes, on the brake pedal, and see if that changes right there, this here. And there it goes. And the transfer case is working right there. And if I move the vehicle, immediately you can feel that it's an 4x4 mode. And I only got out on the street. I haven't driven the vehicle, not even for 1 block. And all the lights went away already, which is good. Thanks for watching the video, and God bless you all.